Presidents of the United States list in chronological order. First President George Washington 1789 to 1797. Second President John Adams 1797 to 1801. Third President Thomas Jefferson 1801 to 1809. Fourth President James Madison 1809 to 1817. Fifth President James Monroe 1817 to 1825. Sixth President John Quincy Adams 1825 to 1829. Seventh President Andrew Jackson 1829 to 1837. Eighth President Martin Van Buren 1837 to 1841. Ninth President William Henry Harrison 1841. 10th President John Tyler 1841 to 1845. 11th President James Polk 1845 to 1849. 12th President Zachary Taylor 1849 to 1850. 13th President Millard Fillmore 1850 to 1853. 14th President Franklin Pierce 1853 to 1857. 15th President James Buchanan 1857 to 1861. 16th President Abraham Lincoln 1861 to 1865. 17th President Andrew Johnson 1865 to 1869. 18th President Ulysses S. Grant 1869 to 1877. 19th President Rutherford B. Hayes 1877 to 1881. 20th President James Abram Garfield 1881. 21st President Chester Alan Arthur 1881 to 1885. 22nd President Grover Cleveland 1885 to 1889. 23rd President Benjamin Harrison 1889 to 1893. 24th President Grover Cleveland 1893 to 1897. 25th President William McKinley 1897 to 1901. 26th President Theodore Roosevelt 1901 to 1909. 27th President William Howard Taft 1909 to 1913. 28th President Woodrow Thomas Wilson 1913 to 1921. 29th President Warren Gamaliel Harding 1921 to 1923. 30th President Calvin John Coolidge 1923 to 1929. 31st President Herbert Clark Hoover 1929 to 1933. 32nd President Franklin Delano Roosevelt 1933 to 1945. 33rd President Harry S. Truman 1945 to 1953. 34th President Dwight David Eisenhower 1953 to 1961. 35th President John Fitzgerald Kennedy 1961 to 1963. 36th President Lyndon Baines Johnson 1963 to 1969. 37th President Richard Milhouse Nixon 1969 to 1974. 38th President Gerald Rudolph Ford 1974 to 1977. 39th President Jimmy Carter 1977 to 1981. 40th President Ronald Wilson Reagan 1981 to 1989. 41st President George Herbert Walker Bush 1989 to 1993. 42nd President William Bill Jefferson Clinton 1993 to 2001. 43rd President George Walker Bush 2001 to 2009. 44th President Barack Hussein Obama 2009 to 2017. 45th President Donald Trump 2017 to 2021. 46th President Joseph Robinette Biden Jr. 2021 to present. Thanks for watching.